Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students, how are you all? Hope that going well at home and enjoying the holidays as well as the studies, online studies at home also. Okay, our today's topic. Today in particularly we will talk about the energy and nutrient flow. If we talk about the first energy, just a little bit think about the energy. From where we are getting the energy? If we talk about the energy, we know that sun, the sun, the sun is the basic source of all energy which we are getting here on the earth. The sun gives us the energy in the form of in the two forms. One is light, other is heat. The sun gives us the energy in the form of heat and light. Now what is happening? Producers, who are the producers are the green plants, all the green plants which are present here on the earth, we call them producers, which are capturing, which are, you can say, absorbing the energy of the sun in the form of the heat and light. So these are the producers. So half of the energy of the sun is just being utilized in a very proper way for a process called photosynthesis, while the other leftover energy is simply lost to the surrounding. We can't recover it back. Okay, next, now the second thing is the nutrients. Okay, what kind of the nutrients we are getting from the surrounding? We are getting the carbon, the oxygen, nitrogen nutrients from the environment, the carbon nutrients, the oxygen, the carbon and the nitrogen nutrients from the surrounding. These nutrients are present in the form of inorganic components. We are taking it from the soil, we are taking it from the environment. How we are, if we talk about the from the environment, how we are taking the carbon from the environment. So if we go and clearly observe that the go through the formula of the carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is having C plus O2. So C is the simplest form of the carbon which we are getting from the surrounding air, or even it is present in the soil and we are taking it from the soil. So next we will talk about that how do energy and nutrients flows through an ecosystem. We will just have a look of the path through which this energy is flowing from the one place to an other place. For this, basically, first of all, we are supposed to understand a triangle here. What is this triangle? At the top of this triangle, producers are present. Who are present? Producers are present. At the one corner of this triangle, consumers are present, and at the other corner of this triangle, decomposers are present. So basically the energy is continuously flowing from the producers to the consumers to the decomposers. So if we talk about the producers are again all the green plants which are capturing the energy of the sun as a heat or light. They are taking the other important nutrients in the form of carbon and nitrogen from the surrounding, either air, either soil. And then what they're doing, they are doing such a great job. How they're doing a great job? They are utilizing this energy as well as nutrients and converting it into a very useful product that we call glucose by a process called photosynthesis. Now plants are producers, plants are autotrophs who are making their own food. Now come to the second level of the energy flow. This is the second level of the energy flow. This is at the top of this, and plants are present who are the producers. Now we are talking about the second level of the energy flow. These are the consumers. If we look around, or if you people remember from your from your smaller grades like grade 4, 5, 6, we are talking about that consumers are existing in three, you can say three categories. Few are herbivores. Herbivores are those consumers which are only eating or which are only depending upon the green plants. Those are called the herbivores. Can you mention few animals in the herbivores? Yes, I can give you one or two examples, like cow is a herbivore, buffalo is a herbivore, goat is a herbivore, so sheep is a herbivore. These are those animals which are directly depending upon the grass or the smaller plants for the sake of their food. Come to the secondary now. We call them omnivores. Who are the omnivores? Which are eating flesh as well as green, you can say vegetables also. Who are omnivores? We humans are the omnivores. What we are doing? We are taking fresh vegetables and fruits also. We are taking the meat of the cow, buffalo and goat also. Even we are eating the chicken. So we are the omnivores who are taking the energy from the plants as well as from the other animals. Come on the third one, carnivores. Who are the carnivores? Carnivores are all the animals with the long claws and the sharp teeth that we call canines. Who are having the sharp teeth called canine? Tiger. Who are having the sharp teeth called canines? Dog, fox, even the cats, they're having the canines. What is the purpose of the canines? They can hunt or kill the other animals for the sake of their food. So we are calling them carnivores. So I guess it's very clear. Consumers are of three types. Herbivores, only eating green part. Omnivores, eating both green part at green plants as well as other animals. And only carnivores, which are only eating the flesh of the other animals. And in this way they are fulfilling their need of, you can say they're getting the energy and they're fulfilling their need of all the nutrients which their body is needing. Now come on the third point of this triangle. But decomposers are present at the third point of this triangle. We know that energy is continuously going in a cycle. What is this energy cycle? Producers are making food, primary consumers are taking in food, and then the decomposers are decomposing it, and all the nutrients which the you can say consumers are getting, it is finally going down to the soil. And now again the plants are going on growing on that soil, and again the plants are reutilizing that nutrients. So decomposers are the small microbes, many bacteria, fungi, which are breaking down the dead bodies of the plants and animals and releasing all the nutrients which are present inside their bodies back to the soil. And this, then again these nutrients will be used by the green plants which are growing there. So basically this is called the energy cycle, and this is called the energy flow within an ecosystem. Okay, now we can just have the reading of it.